Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn about loops in Dart. So what is loop? Loop is the process of repeating something. You can do boring tasks and make it very easy with the help of loop. Okay, let me share my screen and let me share more information about loop. Okay, here you can see loops are used to repeat a block of code until certain conditions are not completed. For example, if you want to print your name 100 times, then rather than typing print your name 100 times, you can use loop and you can perform that task very easily. Okay, here you can see we have different types of loop: for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop. We will study each loop very detailedly in our upcoming section. Okay, the primary purpose of all loop is to repeat a block of code, but you can use different type of loop. For loop is very popular. Let's print my name. I will print my name and you can print your own name 10 times without using loop and with using loop. Okay, first of all, let me print my name 10 times without using loop. For that, I am creating a new file called without loop.dart. Okay, and then let me write main method here, and okay, to print my name I'm just writing print and my name, and then print my name. Okay, in this way, this is 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. Okay, now let's run the program. I'm going to run this program. First of all, I'll need to open terminal and Dart, then file name. Our file name is Dart. Our file name is Dart without loop.dart. Okay, here you can see my name got printed 10 times. This is a basic approach without using loop. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's do it with loop. Okay, this is without loop. Let's create a new file, loop.org.dart. Okay, let me write a main method here, void main, and let me write a loop. Okay, we'll study about this loop in next section. Just you can copy this code. I will describe each of the statement in the next section. For now, you can just copy this code and you can also perform the same action for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. I'll just print my name, first name. Okay, here Vishwaraj, and if I run the program, that our file name is loop.org.dart. Okay, if I run the program, here you can see Vishwaraj got printed 10 times. Which one is easy, this one or this one? This one is very easy. If you want to print your name 1000 times, then you can just write 1000 here. Okay, just write 1000 and it will print your name 1000 times. Here you can see. Okay, let's see, also write a number. I am writing $I here. Okay, $I. Okay, let's go to the very end and let's run the program. Here you can see 999 Vishwaraj, and at the beginning you can see 0 Vishwaraj. You can also start from 1. Here you can start from 1 and you can write I is less than or equal to 1000, then it will print 1 to 1000. Okay, let's run the program. Here you can see 1000 Vishwaraj, and at the very first, let's see, here you can see 1 Vishwaraj got printed. In this way you can use loop. I will explain this loop in the next section, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding loop, then you can comment down below. I will see you in the next video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.